Hello, everyone, and welcome back for week 11 of our PE instruction. And this week we are working on striking with a long-handled implement. So basically what that means when we talk about long-handled implement, we know that when we strike, hit things, we can use many different objects. So implement is just another word for objects. Long-handled means that the object you are using to strike with is long-handled. So if we think about like a tennis racket has a short handle and then the racket. If you look over here at my Bitmoji with the hockey stick, you see here's the blade where we hit the object or strike the object with. And then the rest of this is the handle. So there's a very long handle on this hockey stick. So this week and next week, we're going to work on striking an object using our long-handled implement or long-handled hockey stick. Your standards for the next 2 weeks, right? Third grade, strike both moving and stationary objects using a long-handled implement. Fourth grade, strike moving and or stationary objects with long-handled implements using correct technique so the objects travel in the intended direction. Fifth grade, strike moving and or stationary objects with long-handled implements so the objects travel in the intended direction at the desired height using correct technique. And sixth grade, demonstrate appropriate etiquette, care of equipment, respect for facilities, and safe behaviors while participating in a variety of physical activities. Now, going back to your activities for this week, you have your warm-up, and your warm-up is going to be the would you rather. I know here at school, when the kids are doing it in their classroom, rainy days, or just for a brain break, I'm hearing a lot of classroom teachers saying how much their kids love this type of activity. So hopefully you are enjoying those at home as well. So you're going to do that for your warm-up. And then you're going to click on this hockey intro and skills practice. And this lesson is going to take you through exactly how to use your hockey stick, how to strike with a long-handled instrument. It's going to take you right to that. So the directions that are given on there, you're just going to follow them. And once you have followed them or you find out the equipment that's needed, you may want to pause the video so that you are getting the information that you need or can go get the equipment that you need. In the video, you are going to find that he is using a broom instead of a hockey stick. Many of us do not have hockey sticks just laying around at our house. So you can use modified equipment such as a pool noodle. It's a little bit harder, but it can work. Or a broom is the best to use as modified equipment for this activity. So they're going to take you through how to hold it. They're going to give you some striking activities and stuff to do. So make sure you pause along the way to get any type of equipment or stuff that you might need to be successful and be able to practice those skills. And then I have a striking practice video that you are going to try. Again, they're using a broom. This is stuff that they're doing in their home. So hopefully you can adapt with the materials that you have at home and try to do these activities, keeping your standard in mind of striking, moving or stationary objects, that they're going in the intended direction at the desired height. And so just lots and lots of practice here. So we're going to be working on this unit this week and next week. Okay, so use your time to make sure that you feel comfortable, you understand how to hold the stick, or in your case, the broom. Eye-hand coordination. We're going to talk a lot this week in class about eye-hand coordination. Oftentimes when people go to strike an object, they miss the object. And that's simply because their eyes did not watch the object all the way. And so oftentimes when we go, we're a baseball player and we go to swing, right, or for a golfer and we go to swing with our golf club, oftentimes if we miss it, it's because we took our eyes off at the last second because we thought we already made contact and wanted to see where the object went. So if you find that that's happening to you, right, then more than likely, same thing. You got to keep your eyes on there until you see the object actually, your implement, your broom, your noodle, whatever you're using, actually make contact with the object. Just keep that in mind as you're going through as well. Eye-hand coordination, very, very important, and many skills that we use throughout our lives. All right, so hopefully you'll have some fun with this today, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Bye.